how to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, we then scroll down and tap on reset. Now in here, scroll down, then tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Next, tap on reset settings. And here say Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Now when it does that, your Wi-Fi connection has been removed. And if you want to use Wi-Fi, you need to go back in and you need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi router. So here my Wi-Fi has now been disconnected. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.